The Brontosaurus! He can't hurt me. Ow! Ow, stop it! Stop it! Ah, that hurts! Hey, stop it! I'm a friendly dinosaur. I'm friendly. Ah! Hey, mommy! Daddy! Help me! Hi, little girl.
Welcome to 10 Twins Toy Review.
Hi, Kanoa. Hi, Madison. What is that you have there now? Bunch of dinosaurs?
Yeah.
Do you guys like dinosaurs?
Yeah.
They're pretty cool, huh? Can you tell everybody what kind of dinosaurs you have there?
It's very big.
It's very big. Are you ready to play with them?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Wow, that's a lot of dinosaurs you guys have there, guys. Can you tell me the names of the dinosaurs, Kanoa?
Yeah.
What's his name? Who's that? What's his name?
T-Rex.
What is that?
It's the T-Rex.
That's a T-Rex. And what does he sound like?
Roar.
Roar! That's a daddy T-Rex. Whoa, he's scary. Look at all his teeth.
Look at the baby.
Look at all his teeth. Chomp, 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 chomp. Roar. And what do you have there? What kind of dinosaur is that, little girl?
It's very big.
What dinosaur is that? Kuya, what's the name of that dinosaur?
Baby.
A pterodactyl. Is that a pterodactyl?
Baby.
Wow, it's a baby pterodactyl? Who else do we have here? Who's this?
No, it's mommy.
What's the name of this one?
It's mommy.
That's a mommy dinosaur?
It's
What is she? What type of dinosaur?
over there.
Oh yeah, it's a triceratops. Triceratops. What else do we have, guys?
No.
Show me.
No.
Look at this guy. Roar, roar. What's his name, Kuya? Dimetrodon. Wow. What else do we got here?
It's little mama.
We got this dinosaur. Is this a dinosaur, Kuya?
I don't know that one.
Oh, we don't know the name of this one. There you go. It's an alligator dinosaur? Okay, that'll work for me. What else we got? Oh, here's a blue triceratops. Very, very shiny.
That's the brother one.
It's a brother one? Okay.
Get me.
Line the dinosaurs up, Kanoa.
Sister.
That's another. That's a sister dinosaur?
Yeah.
Can you say triceratops?
I'm sister.
You're a sister. Oh, you're a sister. What did you do? Oh my god, the triceratops is on top of the T-Rex. Hey, get the triceratops off my head. He's bothering me or I'm gonna eat him. Yeah. What do you have over there, little girl? What else is there?
The baby one.
That's a baby? It doesn't look like a baby. He's big. Can I see his face?
I like a baby.
Let me see the face and the
I'm
eyes.
like a baby.
You're like a baby? Okay, let me see his face and eyes. Oh, he has green eyes. What is this name again, Kuya?
Get out. Yeah, baby.
Pterodactyl.
He's a baby.
He flies. Rawr. What else do we got here? Ooh, what is this? What is this robot dinosaur we got? What's his name? I don't know his name. He looks like a robot T-Rex, right? Oh, he's a velociraptor. He's mean, right? A velociraptor? Oh my god. A lot of cool dinosaurs here. Who's that? You got little baby T-Rexes right there? No, not T-Rexes. Those are baby Triceratops. Oh, she's cute. She's teal.
Mommy,
He's like a
Terratop.
brown.
Mommy, Terratop.
Mommy Terratop. And this is Triceratops. He has 3 horns. Oh. Roar, roar.
Blue dot.
That's blue? Okay. And who's this? What is this? A Stegosaurus? This is a Stegosaurus. He's very, very nice. Look at his tail. He has some spikes on his tail. Yeah. Triceratops. He has long horns. He has long horns. Yeah, Maddie Triceratops. But who's this guy? He looks mean. Well, I think his things come up here. Where? Oh, yeah, that's a Stegosaurus. And look at his sharp teeth. And he spits out too. Where's the turtle? Nice dinosaurs, guys. A lot of dinosaurs. Do we have more? Wow, those are a lot of dinosaurs. That's a big dinosaur collection you guys have there. Okay, we need to start showing all the kids out there what we have. All right, guys? Let's start off with this. Yeah. What is this, Kuya?
It's a Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus. Hi, Stegosaurus. What else do we got here? Oh, we got a little mini Triceratops.
Daddy!
Yes.
I'm pushing it.
Okay, push the button. I could hear him speak. Is this a Triceratops, Kuya?
Yes, by
Oh my gosh. He has teeth. This Triceratops has teeth, guys.
Daddy.
Yeah. What else do we have, Kuya? Whoa, he's making noise. That's not a Triceratops, right? It is a Triceratops. Whoa, he has longer horns and he's making growling sounds. Roar. What else do we got? Oh, we got the biggest dinosaur of all, or the scariest, the T-Rex. Roar. He's a carnivore?
Yes.
He's a carnivore. He eats meat. What else, guys? Ooh, here's another T-Rex. Nope, not a T-Rex. That's another Triceratops. Wow. A lot of cool dinosaurs. And what's this guy, Kuya?
Brontosaurus.
A Brachiosaurus or a Brontosaurus? He has a long neck. Wow. I think this one is...
It's very sound.
A what kind?
Diplodocus, maybe?
Diplodocus. Okay, if it's not a Diplodocus, guys, just leave a comment below and let us know what it is. All I know is he has a long neck. That's a dinosaur. Super collection. Massive collection of dinosaurs, guys.
It's very sound.
Yeah, he's making a lot of sounds. Can he fight? Who does he want to fight? He wants to fight that guy? Whoa, a lot of dinosaurs. I think I'm gonna choose the T-Rex. Oh, he's getting him. I'll get him too. I'm gonna eat you, Triceratops. Oh my God, you're the winner. Ah, you got me. Let's see who's next. I'm gonna bring in this guy. What is this guy, Kuya? What is it called? Kylosaurus. He has a hard shell. Oh, the Triceratops is the winner again. Who's next, Kanoa? Who do you want to fight next?
This guy.
That guy? Time for Mr. Green Triceratops. Let's battle. You got me. I'm bigger than you. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Oh, he's the winner. The orange one is the winner again.
What else?
What else? You tell me. What else? Who do you want to fight next?
Like the tigers.
You want to fight this guy? He looks scary. I think he's gonna win. He has sharp teeth. Ready?
Ow!
Set. Go. Oh, you're the winner. Oh my God, he's so strong. I think I'm gonna bring out the T-Rex again. I'm the T-Rex. I'm a carnivore.
Nino.
Yeah. Oh, that's a Nino. Oh, ouch. Oh, ooh, ow, ouch, ouch. Oh my God, stop. Oh my God, stop. That hurts. Oh, that hurts. Ouch, ouchie, ouchie.
Funny.
It's funny. Ouchie, ouchie. Oh, okay. I don't want to fight no more. Bye. Yeah. You're the winner. You're the winner, little boy. Okay. Who else is next here?
T-Rex funny.
Yeah, he's crying. You know who I'm gonna bring out? I challenge him now. Rawr! Here I come. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nah, stop it. Stop it. That hurts. Oh, stop it. That hurts. Mommy, bye. You're the winner again? Wow. Who else am I gonna get to challenge you? Yeah. Let's get who? I'm gonna challenge him now. I'm another Triceratops. Ready? Roar, roar, let's battle. Ouch! Oh, Daddy, Mommy, help me! I'm gonna challenge you. Roar. Oh, bye. I'm gonna challenge him now. I have a hard shell. You can't hurt me. Help me! Somebody help me! It hurts. It hurts. No. Oh yeah. Ouchie! Mommy, bye. You're the winner. Was that funny?
Yeah.
You're the winner?
Yeah.
Okay, who's next? I'm gonna bring out the Brontosaurus! He can't hurt me. Ow! Ow, stop it! Stop it! Ow, that hurts! Hey, stop it! I'm a friendly dinosaur. I'm friendly. Hey, Mommy, Daddy! Help me! Hi, little girl. It's funny. It's funny.
Again.
Okay.
Again.
I'm gonna bring out. Let's see here. Stegosaurus. Hey, wait! I was not ready yet. Oh, you can't hurt me. Ow! Oh my God! Stegosaurus. I'm gonna hit you with my tail. Ow! Bye! No more! Help me! You're the winner?
Yeah.
You're the winner. Oh, wow. Your dinosaur is beating everybody. But guess who's going to fight him next? I'm Spider-Man. I'm going to challenge that Triceratops. Where are you? Sping. Oh, ouch. Ooh, ouch. Ooh. Hey, be nice. Oh my God. Help me. Somebody help me. God, this guy's mean. This guy is mean. Oh, he has some sharp horns. Hey, be nice. Nah, I'm gonna get you with my spider web. Help me! Captain America, help me! I'm not fighting this guy no more. I'm going to Mommy. Hey, I'm Captain America. And I heard Spider-Man needs my help. I'm here to help Spider-Man and all the other dinosaurs. I think we have one bully dinosaur. Where are you, dinosaur? I'm Captain America, and I'm the champion, and I'm gonna get you. He's right there. Get him. Where's the orange dinosaur? I don't see him. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's coming. Oh, God, get you. I'm the winner. Yay. Captain America to the rescue. I destroyed the yellow-orange dinosaur. Help! Hey, you said you need help? I already destroyed the dinosaur for you. Yay! Well, that was fun. Okay, looks like we're all done, Kanoa. Can you tell everybody bye?
Bye.
See you next time. Thanks for watching the Tan Twins toy review, everybody. If you like this video, please click like and please subscribe. Till next time. Bye. I'm Captain America. Till next time. See you later. Bye.